Greetings from the workshop, everyone. Just a quick update, as I mentioned in the previous video, thanks to Bunnings, Hardieflex 1200 by 2700 4.5 mil is up. 2 sheets on this side. You can see we're going to make the hole for the GPO there, and we've got a hole for a switcher and a GPO and another couple of sheets to put up there. So I think this has come up pretty well. It's just in loosely for the moment. They did send out the wrong size joiners, so they're slightly wider than the other ones, but we've got a couple of temporary nails in there, and you can see my plan with the cornice, that piece up there. It just needs a little trim and a tidy up, a bead of something against the paint, and it will look good as new once it's had a lick of paint. So put the trim up around the door just to kind of see what it was going to look like, and I think it looks pretty good on the cheap. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. We're going to finish this tomorrow. It's fairly late here already. Another big improvement, I'll show you around the back, is the gaping hole that used to house the air conditioner has now been filled with a brand new sheet, a full sheet, again 2700 high, 1200 wide, 4.5 mil Hardieflex. So thank you very much, James Hardie. So this side is done. We redid the studs, so the noggins, as our friends in the carpentry trade would call them. That's these pieces right here, and I can show you on the inside what we're working with tomorrow. So that's our 2 noggins. It's all we need because this isn't structural. This is just to fill the hole. And then we've cleaned this all the way back, taken the sheet out, taken the joiner out here along the bottom. So we should be able to slide, like we did on the other one, slide the left and right edges up underneath the cornice after I knock out that last remaining bit right there, and then bend it across here so it fits into the joiners, and therefore we don't have to move this panel or that panel, which is good. And obviously it needs a sweep. But we've made good progress, very happy with all this. It's coming together. We'll reuse the skirting from here because why not? Had a stroke of genius as well, which is, and it's hard to see on this video, but when you look at the space as you come in, picture this. So there you go, big space. So what I'm thinking is, instead of having this office and toilet block here, because this takes up a lot of space, and as a temporary solution it's fine, but that's critical space at the front of the workshop that could be used for servicing motorcycles, for example, or storage or customer waiting area or wherever. What I was thinking about doing was having a prefabricated mezzanine in here. So this would give me another floor above this, so 3.5 meters up to the cantilever roof, and putting the office and working space up top and having toilet block and other amenities downstairs. And by doing that, essentially, if I came up to this girder right here as a freestanding unit, I could have essentially a 1-bedroom flat, the equivalent of a 1-bedroom flat, in this space with all the amenities I need, including a loo and everything else. And then if you look back this way, the front of the workshop, we can demo out all of that. All of that functionality moves here where I'm standing, and that gives me, probably 80 meters long by 15 meters wide of completely usable workshop space. So just a thought. Let me know what you think in the comments. Looks like we've got our vendor for the switchboard replacement selected, and we've got our heat pump selected, so I'll provide some more information in the next video. But for the meantime, enjoy that. James Hardie, Hardieflex, cement particle board up on the walls where it should be, not on a pallet, making the place look somewhat habitable. Soon to look like all the rest of them, painted white, nice and clean and very functional. So there you go. Happy weekend, everybody. Probably pop another video up tomorrow. As you can see, there's quite a bit going on, so try to keep abreast of all of this. So I'll catch you in the next vid. See ya.